Hi, it's Christine again. Thanks for sticking around. Now we get to the fun part, ha ha ha, where we're gonna transform these darling cards from the Picture My Life scrapbooking program into cards that you can keep or share with people you love. Now, first of all, we're gonna start by, like I said, there are 122 cards, and 78 of them are these 3x4 size, so you've got a lot to work with. I'm going to grab just this one that's off the top of my deck. Now notice that on these cards, many of them have a large sentiment or an icon on one side and then journaling space on the other. You can pick which side you want to work with your cards. For the sake of today's project, I'm really going to focus on the cards that have great card sentiments on them. I think high is pretty perfect. I'm also working with the Close to My Heart card bases. These come in a nice creamy colonial white or a bright white daisy white. They can be your choice. We offer them in bulk packs or smaller packs depending on your card making needs. They're a great value and they come with envelopes as well. They are a standard card making size, so they are 5.5 by 4.25. You can cut them from cardstock, but my gosh, those pre-made card bases with the envelopes definitely make it easier. I'm working with a colonial white today, and I just grabbed my card. Now what I've also got is just an assortment of cardstock. This will just give a little bit of a more finished look to your project. The cardstock I'm working with today, I'm working with Craft and Black. You can choose colors that complement the Picture My Life scrapbooking program of your choice, but I love Craft and Black because they're just so universal. Now I have trimmed my cardstock piece. I'm going to lay it over a corner of this so you can see what that looks like. The cardstock that we're using as my mat is literally just 1/4 of an inch smaller on both sides, the top and the side of the card base. But of course I'm not going to squinch it over in the corner like that. I am going to center it and use a little bit of adhesive. Doesn't need a whole lot. Use a little bit of adhesive, and then I'm going to eyeball it and stick it right down there on the top of my card base. I'm going to make a top folding card here because I'm working with a horizontal card. There is a really nice variety of both vertically oriented and horizontally oriented cards, so you can mix and match your cards orientations any way you like. Now I've centered that high card right there in the middle. Now just for a little bit of variety, because that's great, but it's kind of simple. So just for a little bit of variety, I am going to take our washi tape, and the one that I'm working with right now is our Silver Geometric. What I like about this is that it's a really nice low-tack tape. I can put this on the sides, I can put this on the top. There is no wrong way to do this, absolutely not. I can use short strips. I like not cutting it because I like the rough torn edges. I'm also going to work with a couple of our fun aqua dots. Close to My Heart offers a variety of these smaller embellishments that I think work great in small spaces. So again, there's no real wrong way. These aqua dots come in a couple of different colors. If you don't have fingernails or you don't want to work with your fingernails, we also recommend using a paper piercing tool, which can be great to lift those adhesive back to smaller embellishments. I like working in triangles and groups that are of odd numbers. So there I have just made an adorable high card in what, about 30 seconds? And you can see, here's another high card. I've mixed up my colors a little bit. There is no wrong way to do it. Look at these great cards. I think I'll make a vertically oriented card with the Just My Type card. You can mix and match using the Black and the Craft, and literally in about 10 minutes I can make a stash of cards that is going to last me for months, for birthday, for thank you, for thinking of you, for just because kind of cards. So this is a great way to use your Picture My Life cards. Use them in your pocket scrapbooking, absolutely. But if you want to also mix it up and try a different kind of a craft project that adds a little bit of variety and a whole lot of fun to your card making as well, you're going to want to use Picture My Life. Now, to purchase your own Picture My Life scrapbooking programs and to see all 8 in our new idea book, contact your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and if you don't have one yet, visit closetomyheart.com right now, use our consultant locator, and find someone near you.